Welcome to this amazing teaching still on quadratic expression. And we are still discussing difference of two squares. Remember in our last teaching, we said that for every a squared minus b squared, it is always equal to a plus b into a minus b. We call it difference of two squares. You see, these two are squared and there is subtraction. So difference of two squares. And this is what you use. So let's see how to use it on this question. It's just so easy. Now let's take it off with the first one. So we're going to have our solutions. For the first one, we have 49x squared minus 1. Now, how do you apply this here? It's tricky, but simple. What you need to know is that 49 is a perfect square. 49 is the same as 7 times 7, which is 7 squared. And you also know that 1 is a perfect square. 1 is 1 times 1, which is 1 squared. So if this is true, then we can simplify. And to do that, we are going to have 7 squared is multiplying x squared. Then this is the same as 1 squared. Interesting. So what do you think you should do at this point? Remember this rule. For every a, b raised to power of m is always equal to a raised to power m, b raised to power m. Okay, so you see that this is of this form. So we want to put this in this form. And if you do that, you have 7x. We now have 1 power since the powers are the same. Did you see it? And then we have minus 1 squared. So you see, the whole of this is now of this form. So this can take A and this can take B. At this point, you can apply this rule. So applying this rule, we are going to have, this gives us 7x plus 1 into 7x minus 1. Interesting. And this is our answer for the first question. For the second one, we have 4x squared minus 81. These two are perfect squares. We know that 4 is 2 times 2, which is 2 squared. And 81 is the same as 9 times 9, which is 9 squared. Okay, so what do? This will be 2 squared x squared. Did you see? Then 81 is 9 squared. Remembering what we did in the first, this is the same as 2x squared minus 9 squared. You are done. So what do? Apply this rule. And that gives us 2x plus 9 and then 2x minus 9. And that is your answer. So for question 3, we have 2x squared minus 200. Now, this is somehow different from the previous because 2 is not a perfect square and 200 is also not a perfect square. Remember, perfect squares are the same numbers that when you multiply 2 times, it gives you back that number. So we cannot have such in these two. So what do we do? Can you think? Don't worry yourself. What you do here is just to factor. 2 can divide these two, okay? So we're going to use 2 to divide these two parts. So in that case, we factor 2 out, open a bracket, use 2 to divide 2x squared divided by 2. This we cancel, you have x squared. Did you see that? Then use 2 to divide negative 200. This will give us negative 100. Interesting. You have done the work. Did you observe anything? You see that 100 is a perfect square and this one is already squared. So if you simplify, you have 2 into x squared. 100 is the same as 10 squared. Okay. Now, this is now of this form. This is our A and this is our B. So if you simplify, you have 2 into x plus 10 into x minus 10. And that is all you are asked to do. And if you understood what we did, give this a try and let's discuss your answer in the comments. If this helps you, don't forget to like this video, share. I'll see you in our next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.